Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your password manager vault with 1Password export detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your 1Password application. Log into your 1Password account using your master password. Ensure you're on the main vault screen where all your saved items are displayed. Locate the vault you wish to back up. Click on the vault name to highlight it. In the top menu, find and select the file option. From the drop-down menu, choose Export. A new window will appear, prompting you to select the format for your export. Select the format that suits your needs, usually CSV or 1Password interchange file. Click the Export button to proceed. You might be asked to enter your master password again for security reasons. Choose a location on your device where you want to save the exported file. Give the file a descriptive name that makes it easy to identify later. Double-check that you've selected the correct location and file name. Click Save to complete the export process. Once the export is complete, navigate to the location where you saved the file. Open the file to verify that your items are correctly listed. Make sure to store this file in a secure location to protect your sensitive information. Consider backing up this file to an encrypted cloud service for added security. If you need to restore your vault in the future, you can use this exported file. Always remember to delete any local copies of the file you no longer need, to minimize risks. Regularly updating your backup is a good practice to ensure you have the latest information. Congratulations, you have successfully backed up your 1Password vault. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.